Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your HP Victus laptop won't charge while computer is on. So basically take your charger and check if this connection is right, because sometimes this connection looks like it is connected, but actually you need to use some force to just make it a little bit more go this connector to inside. And actually what you can do is, that doesn't help, you can take this little plug and clean with the alcohol. Don't clean it with water, clean with alcohol. This will help to loosen the debris, and basically you'll be able to see if the charger is charging after you clean that. And with the port, same with the port, what you can do is use like toothbrush or some soft kind of things to clean the charging port, and that should help for your and fix your problem. So basically that's how you fix. If this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.